Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the Wi-Fi speed boost on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. To use the speed boost for Wi-Fi, we need to open the settings and then go to Wi-Fi. Over here, choose network acceleration, and then over here we have two options that allow us to speed boost our network. So we have the dual band Wi-Fi speed boost, which connects to multiple Wi-Fi networks at the same time in order to boost the speed. So you can enable this option by tapping on the slider, and the same goes with mobile data. So it works the same way. We can use both Wi-Fi and mobile data to boost the speed when Wi-Fi connection is poor. So we can also tap on the slider in order to turn it on. And once we turn on the mobile data speed boost, the mobile data that is used to boost the network speed, we have the option to manage the speed boost mode, where we have the description says boost speed using mobile data only when Wi-Fi signal is poor, and then we can tap on this slider in order to determine the speed boost mode. And then we also have the apps, the list of apps that can be used in order to decide which apps can use the mobile data instead of Wi-Fi in the case of poor connection of Wi-Fi. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.